Good morning, my dear children.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Okay.
morning, ma'am.
Oh, very good morning, very good morning. Today we are going to start other topic. Last day, what all things we have discussed? One-dimensional shapes, two-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional shapes. Have you revised all those things?
Yes. Yes.
Very good, very good. I hope you all got books.
No.
No, some are there. That's why I'm not
Yes.
giving.
Monday.
Okay. It's okay, no problem. After that, I'll give you homework from textbook. Let others get the book. Today we are going to discuss about.
Ma'am.
Who is calling me, dear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Am I audible to you, dear children?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see my
Rina.
face properly?
Yes,
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then can we start our class?
Yeah.
Yes.
But your face,
Dear,
once Rina. Face is like
face. Can you see my face now?
your face, and the screen is like a.
Now. Okay, can I start?
Yes.
I can see your face, but you are like stuck.
Oh, maybe network issue, dear.
No.
Okay. Today we are going to discuss about 2D shapes. Last day we all discussed about the names of 2D shapes. Today we are going to discuss about the sides, corners. For all these figures, sides are there, corners are there. You have learned last year, isn't it?
Yes.
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 For a triangle, how many sides are there, dear Aditri? Aditri, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
For a triangle, how many sides are there?
3.
Hey, very good. All of you clap for her. Very good. She said the correct answer. Very good. For a triangle, 3 sides are there. Then Hazel,
Ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes.
For a triangle, how many corners are there?
3.
3. Very good. She also said correct answer. Very good, dear children. All of you clap for her. Aditri and Hazel has said correct answer. So for a triangle, 3 sides are there, 3 corners are there. What about our rectangle? Rectangle like our board. Like how many sides are there? I want answer from. I want answer from Sribhadra. Can you hear me, Sribhadra?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How many sides are there for a rectangle? Rectangle. Sorry? Sorry?
Rectangle.
4 sides. Very good. Very good. Very good.
4 sides.
Next, Aditya. Can you hear me, Aditya?
Yes.
How many vertices, corners are there for? How many corners are there for a rectangle? Corners. How many corners are there for a rectangle?
4.
4 corners. Very good. Very good. Very good. Next, square. I'm going to ask about square. Advaita.
4 corners.
How many sides are there for a square?
4.
Advaita. Very good. 4 sides. And how many corners are there, Evelyn, for a square? How many corners are there? 4 corners. Very good. Next, I'm asking to John. Not John. Other.
Yes, ma'am.
How many corners are there for a circle? For a circle, How
No
many?
corner.
No corners. Very good. Next, Hanna.
Yes, ma'am.
How many sides are there for a circle?
No.
No sides. Okay, very good, very good. So now you understood how many sides are there, how many corners are there for these 2D shapes. Now you have said the word corner. This year we are going to study for another name for that word or that portion, vertex. What is the word?
Vertex.
Vertex. Vertex. Vertex. Okay. We can define the vertex like this. The point where at least two sides of a shape meet is called vertex.
Vertex.
Here, can you see my pens?
Yes.
One red pen and one black pen.
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
Yeah, you all can see. Okay. This red pen and black pen. These are the suppose these are the sides of a triangle or rectangle or square. These are the line sides. One side this red pen, one side this red pen, and one side is this black pen. The point where at least two sides of a figure meet is called vertex. I will show you on the board.
Ma'am.
The point where at least two sides of a figure meet is called
Vertex.
many shapes. You can see more than vertex, more than one vertex. So more than one vertex is there.
Ma'am.
Who is calling me? What happened?
Thank you, sir.
If more than one vertex is there, we can call it as vertices. The plural of the word vertex is vertices. What do you say? Vertices. The plural of the word vertex is vertices. Now I will show you the vertex. And now we are going to name these vertices. Okay, dear? Calling me? You have studied last year. Okay. This year we are going to name these vertices. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Dear children, now you can. I'm going to mute you all. Those who want to say answer can unmute. Okay. Soon you will get the screen. So, what is vertex, dear children? The point where at least two sides of a figure meet is called. You 3H, all 3H children are very good, I know. Very, very good children. I know last year, you all people. Very good. So, going to take, first I will take. I'll show you one. I'll show you triangle and.
Ma'am, we should not write now. Okay?
No need to write now. No need to write now. Now I have drawn a red triangle over here. All can see that?
Yes.
Can you all see?
Yes.
Now I'm going to mark this vertices. Its vertices by. These also you know, isn't it? These are the vertices of the triangle. Now I am going to give name for this vertices. Okay? I will. A, B. Who is singing over there? Don't do that. A, B, C. Now the triangle is triangle A, B, C. Now I want the name of the vertices. How you will say the name of the vertices?
Vertical line.
Which are the point?
Vertical.
A, B,
A,
C.
C.
A, B, C. These are the three vertices of the triangle. Which are the three vertices of the triangle? A, B, C.
C.
A, B, C. Can you see, my dear children? Can you see these vertices?
Yes.
Next, I am going to, dear children, once again I am reminding you, all good children are sitting there without scratching on the screen or drawing on the screen. Who is doing like this? Good children, don't do that. Next, I am going to draw one rectangle. Who is calling me?
Ma'am,
Can you see one red rectangle over there? Who is calling me?
I can hear properly. And I can hear something.
You can hear me. Dear,
Yes.
can you hear me now properly? All of you, please mute your audio. UN Shivaraj, please mute your audio.
Ma'am.
Hazel Joby, Evelyn, please mute. Some disturbance is going on the background. Mayasa, can you mute? Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Very good, very good. Now, can you hear me, dear? Yeah, okay. Now, everybody mute and I will ask what? They only want to unmute, okay? Now, I have drawn a rectangle over here. Now, I am going to mark the corners. Corners, 4 corners are there, we know. These are the 4 corners, isn't it? P, Q, R, S. Now, Hadi, can you hear me, Hadi?
Yes.
You can unmute and say. Can you tell me the name of these vertices of this rectangle PQRS? Which are the 4 vertices? Can you name that, Hadi?
P, Q, R, S.
Very good. P, Q, R,
Okay, ma'am.
P, Q. You should put comma, okay? P, comma, Q, comma, R, comma, S. These are the vertices. Very good.
Ma'am,
Next, I'm going to ask to Azad. Azad, are you here? Azad, I'm going to draw a square. Almost square. Now, I'm going to give name for that.
Ma'am.
Here, I'm going to let me give the name for the vertices.
Ma'am, you should read the
No need to. M-N-O-P. This square's name is square M-N-O-P. Azad, can you tell me which are the vertices? Can you name these vertices of this square? Azad?
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D? Am I written A, B, C, D over here? Huh? What letters are there here? Can't you see the board here?
M, N, P, O.
M, N.
Ma'am,
Oh,
now I
you
can
should
see.
you should read it continuously. Okay. M N O P. M N M, comma N, comma O, comma P. Okay, dear children. When we give,
Excuse me, ma'am.
okay, when we give names for the different shape also, we have to use English alphabet, capital letters, continuous letters like triangle A, B,
Excuse me,
C,
ma'am.
A, B, C, rectangle L, M, N, O. Okay, like that.
Excuse me,
W
ma'am.
square. Dear, excused? Who is asking?
Ma'am, I want to go to the school to collect books.
Okay, you can collect
May
it. Okay,
I
you
go?
can collect it. After that, you can.
I cannot see
Then
any
next
design,
term,
ma'am.
if it is square is there, if you want to name continuously, you can write W, X, Y, Z. In a continuous way, you have to write. Okay, like that. See, M, N, O, P. If I am drawing a triangle over here, X, Y, Z. You should write continuously. Okay. Now, no need to write this, Joy Eric. No need to write this. No need to write this, Joy Eric. Okay, listen. Next, if you like, if I am going to name a rectangle, you can name like A, B, C,
A,
D.
B,
So here the corners are Joy Eric. Can you?
corner
Which are the corners? You
4.
can unmute and say.
Excuse me, 4.
4 corners are there. Can you name those corners? Can you name that corners?
A, B,
A, B,
C.
A, B, then A, comma, B, comma, C. One more is there. A,
And D.
yes, D. A, B, C,
D.
A, B, C, D. These all are the vertices. Now, have you understood, dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, I will show you. So, what we discussed about vertex. What is vertex?
Corners.
Corners. Okay. What is corners then? What is corners then?
Vertex.
Vertex. Corners, vertex, vertex, corners. Only like that you can say the point. We have the point. All of you repeat. The point where at least
Two sides.
at least
At least
2 sides of a figure
Two sides of a
figure
meet is called
will be called
vertex.
vertex.
The point. Now, can you see the PPT? Can you see the thing?
Yes.
The vertex heading and all. I will make it large.
Is called vertex. The point where at least
Now, can you see it properly?
Vertex.
Vertex. V-E-R. All of you repeat after me. V-E-R. T-E-X. Vertex.
Vertex.
Vertex. What is vertex? The point where at least 2 sides of a figure Meet
Two sides of a figure
is
is
called
called vertex.
vertex.
Your-
When you get your workbook, you can see a question like this. The point where at least two sides of a figure meet is called dash. What is the answer?
Vertex.
Ah, yes, vertex. If more than one vertex is there, you can use the word vertices. What is the word? Vertices. V-E-R T-I C-E-S. In this figure, you can see this two lines meeting at a P. These two lines, PR and QR, meeting at R. And this line, PQ and QR, meeting at a Q. These points are the vertices. Okay. Now, you all can take your book. You can take your book. No need to copy this image. Only you want to write. I will write for you. That is better. So wait, dear children. I will write for you.
You should rub, ma'am. Then only we can see that.
I'll write. Okay. Now you can start. Give the heading vertex.
Ma'am, what?
Vertex. V-E-R-T-E-X. Vertex.
VERTEX.
V-E-R-T-E-X. Vertex. Have you written, dear children?
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good.
Yes.
Now we can start writing. The poem
The poem. The poem. The poem.
were at least two sides of a figure. Two, T-W-O, two sides of a S-I-D-E-S, sides of a figure, F-I-G-U-R-E, figure, meet, M-E-E-T, meet.
Ma'am,
Audio?
but at finish what word? I cannot understand that word.
T-H-E, the, P-O-I-N-T, point. W-H-E-R-E, word.
Ma'am, next word.
A-T, at.
Ma'am, next.
L-E-A-S-T, least.
Ma'am,
At least I don't have space there. That's why I have written like this.
Ma'am, should we write?
Two sides of, I will show you the slide also. At least two sides of a figure meet is called. Wait. Yes, dear. I will show you the slide. Then it will be. Wait, dear children. All of you, please wait. I will show you the slide now and enlarge it and show you. Yes, you have to write. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Now from this, can you write? Only the sentence you want to write, okay? Now, the poem, only this one, the poem were at least two sides of a figure meet is called vertex. Only copy that sentence. This one. The point at least two sides of a figure. No need to draw line. I just draw for you only. So you don't want to draw anything on the your You don't want to underline.
No.
Then the plural of vertex is vertices.
Mommy, you should write that.
Yes. The plural of vertex is vertices.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Now, can we write few one or two examples? Are you ready?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Some are writing.
The plural-
Ayush.
Ma'am, finish.
Completed.
Ma'am,
Ayush.
finish. I'm going to finish, ma'am.
Take your own time. Evelyn has completed, I think.
Ma'am, you're for.
Okay. Very good. The poem where at least two sides of a figure meet is called.
Ma'am,
How dear?
not finished.
Okay. Take. Right.
Finish, ma'am.
Few are there to complete, huh?
No,
Hazel completed.
ma'am. Yes. Okay, ma'am.
The poem, all of you revise that. The poem where at least two sides of a figure meet is called vertex. Plural of vertex is vertices. What is the plural of the word vertex? Vertices. Can I go to next page, dear children? Writing example.
Yes.
Adidev, have you completed?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Next, you can write down to that. You can write one example for that.
Ma'am.
Okay, dear, who is calling me?
Hidden ball.
What happened here?
How to draw screen in
How to
computer?
draw?
In your screen in computer.
You don't want to draw computer. You just draw in the your book, maths notebook or rough book, whatever you have. In that you write. Okay?
Okay.
Clear to you, dear?
Yes.
So all of you draw a rectangle like this, and you can name that rectangle as A, B, C. So which all are the vertices here, dear children? Which all are the vertices? Which all are the vertices in this figure? Very busy with writing.
A, B, C.
A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Very good. So three vertices are there. They are A, B, C.
Okay. Okay.
Next one, I'll draw a this example is enough, dear children, because time is up. So I will give you more examples through WhatsApp or in the next class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Have you understood the concept vertex?
Yes.
The point where at least two sides of a figure meet. And the workbook, those who got workbook, there some questions will be there. You can till question number 4. You can fill. I will the message I'll put in the WhatsApp. That time you can do it. Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, dear. Have you completed this?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Very thank you, dear children. Very
Thank
good
you,
children. Nobody disturbed the class today.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, we can see you next day.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is asking excuse?
Ma'am, in second class now, some people order some books now. Some people doesn't get
I can't hear you properly, dear.
like one. It will put some paper and put some decorated books now.
Some
Some books. In a paper.
the group I put the notes.
I write all.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay. See you next day. Thank you, my dear children. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Student Paul.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.